You asked, how to divide 25,500 by 60 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 25 is too small. Use 255. 255 divided by 60 equals 4. 4 times 60 equals 240. 255 minus 240 equals 15. Bring down 0, making 150. 150 divided by 60 equals 2. 2 times 60 equals 120. 150 minus 120 equals 30. Bring down 0, making 300. 300 divided by 60 equals 5. 5 times 60 equals 300. 300 minus 300 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 425.